Your Proxmox VE server and virtual machines are the backbone of your IT infrastructure, powering your applications, databases, web servers, and mail servers that keep your organization running smoothly. But what happens when a disaster strikes? Whether it's accidental deletion, data corruption, ransomware, or hardware failure, any disruptions on your Proxmox environment can disrupt operations. That's why a reliable restore strategy is just as essential as your backups. That's where Ahsay comes in. In this video, we'll show you how Ahsay enables fast, reliable, and secure recovery of your Proxmox VE virtual machines, getting your systems back online with little to no downtime. If you want to learn how to secure and recover your virtual machines on your Proxmox VE server, let's go to my screen and get started. On the Manage Backup Set page, hover your mouse over the backup set containing the virtual machine you intend to restore. Click the drop-down menu for the Execute job. Select Restore, then click Run. As we only have one destination storage, only Ahsay CBS is displayed. The destination storage shows when the latest successful backup job was. For the first scenario, let's say you'd like to recover a virtual machine to its original storage location because it is corrupted or has been accidentally deleted from your Proxmox server. Keep the original or default location for the Proxmox server where to restore your virtual machines to. Below, you can see the Run Direct option, which is disabled by default. We will cover this topic in another video. For this, we'll keep this setting disabled, then click Next afterward. The option Choose from Files as of Job is selected by default, with the latest version of virtual machines and disks shown. However, you may select a particular version by clicking the drop-down menus next to it. For this, we'll select this VM to restore. Before proceeding, let's open our Proxmox server to confirm that the selected VM we intend to restore does not exist. After confirming, go back to your CBS server and click Next. You will be redirected to the Restore Options page. You may rename the virtual machine to be restored or keep the original name. For this, we'll keep the default name. Next, you may select an option on how to restore your virtual machine. Restore as New Copy will restore your VM to the Proxmox server as a new virtual machine. Skip if exists will skip restoring the selected VM if detected to have been already existing in the server. Overwrite if exists will overwrite the existing VM with a newly restored VM. Or Custom VM ID, which will allow you to enter a customized VM ID for the restored VM. For this, let's keep the default selection, which is to restore as New Copy. Below, you will see a list of available virtual disks used by this VM, the storage location, and usage statistics for the storage location, as well as the format of each virtual disk files. You can choose to restore to another storage location by clicking on the drop-down menu if you prefer, but we will leave all selections on default. Then, click the Restore icon to proceed. The Execute job status for the backup set will show Restore is running. To view the Restore job progress, go to Homepage, click Live Activities, and open the Restore Status tab. After the Restore job, open the Restore report to confirm if the restore was successful. After confirming, open the Proxmox server to double-check if the virtual machine that you have selected was restored. We have just confirmed that the selected VM earlier has been successfully recovered. To confirm if the recovery is successful, let's start up the VM to double-check. As you can see, the Ubuntu Linux operating system is now booting up. In the next scenario, let's say you'd like to restore virtual machines to an alternate storage location on the same Proxmox server. This is an efficient option for clients who intend to recover an older version of an existing VM to retrieve a previous version of operating system setup, applications, or configuration files. Keep the original location where to restore the virtual machine to. Below, you can see the Run Direct option, which is disabled by default. We will cover this topic in another video. For this, we'll keep this setting disabled. Click Next. Select a backup version. Then select the VM you intend to recover. In this scenario, we are restoring an older version of this VM to an alternate storage location. The current version should exist on Proxmox. After confirming, go back to your CBS server and click Next. The selected virtual machine to be restored will be displayed. Let's rename the machine and add the word restored. Keep the default setting Restore as New Copy. As the VM was backed up from the storage location HDD Data 1, we need to select an alternate storage location to restore the older version of Virtual Machine 2, as restoring the VM to the same storage could lead to a rapid consumption of available space, potentially causing performance issues for both the VM and other critical systems relying on that storage. For this, let's select Data, as we want to keep the virtual disk on the same storage format QCOW2. We have to select a storage location which also supports QCOW2 format. The alternate storage location, Data, that we have selected is a DIR or directory storage type, which also supports QCOW2 format. So, we can keep the existing storage format selection. For reference, see the table to know which format is suitable for your storage. After selecting the alternate storage and storage format, click the Restore icon to begin the restore job. The restore job is now running. Go to the Live Activities to monitor the job progress under the Restore Status tab. After the restore job, open the backup report to confirm if the restore was successful. After confirming, open the Proxmox server to double-check if the virtual machine that you have selected was restored to the alternate storage. Click the Restored VM, then open Hardware. The first section of the hard disk information shows the storage where the VM is stored at. To confirm that the recovery is successful, let's start up the VM to double-check. As you can see, the Ubuntu Linux operating system is now booting up. Moving on. For the last scenario, let's say your Proxmox server may be experiencing an outage and may go offline due to disk failure or hardware failure, and you need to restore your VMs to a spare or a standby Proxmox host server. If the backup user has already deployed other AVMs to different servers, those servers appear in the drop-down menu. Simply select the alternate Proxmox server to restore your VMs. However, if no other servers are listed, click on the hyperlink text to download the script and deploy a new AVM on the spare or a standby Proxmox host server. The preceding steps are just similar when creating a new Proxmox backup set. Use a third-party tool to upload the downloaded script file to the target Proxmox server. Make sure to log in to the root account. Simply drag and drop the script file. To proceed, open the Proxmox server, then execute the script. Configure the settings as desired. After configuration, press Enter or Enter Y to proceed with the creation of the PAVM. Enter the root password of the Proxmox server. The server will begin downloading the PAVM. After a successful download, click on the AVM. You might need to wait for more or less 5 to 15 minutes until the AVM completes the initializing phase and achieves the CLD update. After a successful deployment, go back to your CBS server and click Confirm. You will be redirected to the Manage Backup Set page. A new default Proxmox backup set will appear, since deploying an AVM to a new Proxmox server for the first time will automatically create a default Proxmox backup set. It is recommended to delete this backup set. Run the restore job again on your Proxmox backup set. The latest Proxmox server added will be the default selection. Select the newly added server. Below, you can see the Run Direct option, which is disabled by default. We will cover this topic in another video. For this, we'll keep this setting disabled. Click Next. Select a backup version. For this, we'll restore the latest version. Then select the VM we intend to recover. Before proceeding, let's open the alternate Proxmox server to confirm if the selected VM we intend to recover does not exist. As you can see, there are no other VMs on this server. After confirming, go back to your CBS server and click Next. Rename the VM to be restored or use the default name provided. Then select the setting for how you'd like your VM to be restored. For this, let's keep the default VM name and setting Restore as New Copy. You may keep the default assigned storage setting. But for this restore, we will select another storage Data to restore the VM to. as this storage location is a DIR or directory type storage. It supports QCOW2 format, so we'll keep the default storage format settings. Then, click the restore icon to proceed. The restore job is running. Go to the live activities to monitor the restore progress. After the restore job, check the restore report to confirm if the restore job was successful. After confirming, open the alternate Proxmox server. Check if the virtual machine that you have recovered exists. To confirm that the recovery is successful, let's start up the VM to double check. As you can see, the Ubuntu Linux operating system is now booting up. And that's it. As you've seen, restoring your Proxmox VE virtual machines with Ahsay is efficient, secure, and quick, whether you're recovering a full Proxmox server or just a virtual machine. Disruptions can happen at any time, but with Ahsay, you're always ready to bounce back, minimizing downtime while securing your business continuity. On our next video, we'll run down on the advanced restore scenarios to make your Proxmox VE server recovery faster and more efficient, which you may use in critical situations. Secure, reliable, affordable. Ahsay. Keep your data safe with us. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.